subscribe for daily quizzes, and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some market dynamics trivia. What economic system is characterized by private ownership? Is it A, capitalism, B, feudalism, C, socialism, or D, communism? The correct answer is A, capitalism. What term describes a prolonged decrease in prices? Is it A, inflation, B, stagnation, C, recession, or D, deflation? The correct answer is D, deflation. What term refers to the study of how supply and demand interact? Is it A, microeconomics, B, behavioral economics, C, macroeconomics, or D, game theory? The correct answer is A, microeconomics. What is the term for an agreement among firms to restrict competition? Is it A, market share, B, price war, C, monopoly, or D, collusion? The correct answer is D, collusion. What market structure features many competitors and easy entry? Is it A, perfect competition, B, duopoly, C, oligopoly, or D, monopoly? The correct answer is A, perfect competition. Which curve represents the relationship between price and quantity supplied? Is it A, demand curve, B, x-axis, C, price line, or D, supply curve? The correct answer is D, supply curve. What term refers to costs that do not change with production volume? Is it A, variable costs, B, average costs, C, marginal costs, or D, fixed costs? The correct answer is D, fixed costs. What economic concept describes the maximum benefit for consumers? Is it A, market equilibrium, B, supply curve, C, producer surplus, or D, consumer surplus? The correct answer is D, consumer surplus. What principle states that as supply increases, prices decrease? Is it A, market equilibrium, B, law of demand, C, price elasticity, or D, law of supply? The correct answer is D, law of supply. Which market condition occurs when supply exceeds demand? Is it A, equilibrium, B, shortage, C, deficit, or D, surplus? The correct answer is D, surplus. What term refers to the additional benefit gained from one more unit? Is it A, total cost, B, diminishing returns, C, average benefit, or D, marginal utility? The correct answer is D, marginal utility. What type of market is characterized by a single seller? Is it A, free market, B, oligopoly, C, monopoly, or D, perfect competition? The correct answer is C, monopoly. What is the term for the responsiveness of demand to price changes? Is it A, demand shift, B, price stability, C, price surplus, or D, price elasticity? The correct answer is D, price elasticity. What term describes the decline in a product's market share? Is it A, market decline, B, brand loyalty, C, sales increase, or D, market saturation? The correct answer is D, market saturation. Who developed the theory of comparative advantage? Is it A, David Ricardo, B, Karl Marx, C, Adam Smith, or D, John Maynard Keynes? The correct answer is A, David Ricardo. What is the name for the phase after economic expansion? Is it A, depression, B, recession, C, boom, or D, stagnation? The correct answer is B, recession. What is the typical shape of a demand curve? Is it A, downward sloping, B, upward sloping, C, vertical, or D, circular? The correct answer is A, downward sloping. What term is used to describe the relationship between unemployment and inflation? Is it A, Phillips curve, B, Laffer curve, C, Keynesian theory, or D, demand curve? The correct answer is A, Phillips curve. What is it called when governments regulate market competition? Is it A, market manipulation, B, antitrust law, C, economic liberation, or D, competition incentives? The correct answer is B, antitrust law. What is the term for the cost incurred when choosing one option over another? Is it A, marginal benefit, B, opportunity cost, C, fixed expense, or D, sunk cost? The correct answer is B, opportunity cost. Who is the author of The Wealth of Nations? Is it A, John Locke, B, David Hume, C, Adam Smith, or D, Karl Marx? The correct answer is C, Adam Smith. What phenomenon describes a rapid rise in asset prices? Is it A, crash, B, bubble, C, bear market, or D, recession? The correct answer is B, bubble. What term describes a product's unique selling proposition? Is it A, branding, B, niche market, C, segmentation, or D, differentiation? The correct answer is D, differentiation. Which concept states that a firm will produce where marginal cost equals marginal revenue? Is it A, total revenue maximization, B, price discrimination, C, average cost pricing, or D, profit maximization? The correct answer is D, profit maximization. What term applies to situations where the value of a good increases as more people use it? Is it A, supply shock, B, utility maximization, C, network effect, or D, positive externality? The correct answer is C, network effect. What is the primary objective of marketing? Is it A, customer satisfaction, B, profit maximization, C, market domination, or D, brand awareness? The correct answer is A, customer satisfaction. Which organization often influences global trade policies? Is it A, WTO, B, IMF, C8, or D, UN? The correct answer is WTO. What term refers to a sustained increase in the price level? Is it A, inflation, B, stagnation, C, deflation, or D, recession? The correct answer is A, inflation. What is the principle behind buy low, sell high? Is it A, hold forever, B, investment strategy, C, short selling, or D, market timing? The correct answer is B, investment strategy. Which famous economist is associated with Keynesian economics? Is it A, Friedrich Hayek, B, Adam Smith, C, Milton Friedman, or D, John Maynard Keynes? The correct answer is D, John Maynard Keynes. What is the term for legal restrictions on competition? Is it A, price setting, B, antitrust laws, C, regulation, or D, market freedom? The correct answer is C, regulation. What economic term describes the money flowing in out of a business? Is it A, profit, B, budget, C, cash flow, or revenue? The correct answer is C, cash flow. What is the fundamental concept of economics regarding limited resources? Is it A, abundance, B, sustainability, C, profit maximization, or D, scarcity? The correct answer is D, scarcity. What market structure has only a few firms dominating the market? Is it A, perfect competition, B, oligopoly, C, monopoly, or D, duopoly? The correct answer is B, oligopoly. What term describes a business's ability to influence market prices? Is it A, market equilibrium, B, price elasticity, C, supply chain, or D, market power? The correct answer is D, market power. What economic model is based on the assumption of rational behavior? Is it A, Keynesian economics, B, Marxist economics, C, neoclassical economics, or D, behavioral economics? The correct answer is C, neoclassical economics. What term refers to both positive and negative effects on third parties? Is it A, external costs, B, public goods, C, market failure, or D, externalities? The correct answer is D, externalities. What term is used for products that can be easily replaced by other goods? Is it A, substitute goods, B, durable goods, C, luxury goods, or D, complementary goods? The correct answer is A, substitute goods. What economic concept is represented by the Laffer curve? Is it A, money supply, B, gross domestic product, C, tax revenue, or D, supply and demand? The correct answer is C, tax revenue. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.